This is an issue pertaining to some property dispute going on since 1989, and all the orders were in the favor of my client, right from civil court to ADJ to High Court. And after this, he was satisfied, and he had filed an execution for eviction of the person who had unauthorizedly occupied the property. And he was not aware that the other party had approached Supreme Court, filed an SLP, and before that SLP was filed, and a caveat was filed on his behalf, and an order finally was passed against him on the basis of a settlement. And he came to us with that order, saying that we are not represented, and we did not engage any lawyer. When we looked at the records, we found that he had engaged an AOR, and 4 lawyers had appeared for him, but he said that he had never signed any wakalatnama. So we filed an application for recall of that order, and Supreme Court, after taking note of all this, had issued notice to all the advocates in this matter. In the last hearing yesterday, the court took note of the seriousness of the matter, and the AOR appeared through a lawyer, and he said that the AOR is an old person, and he has stopped practice since last 5 years, and he does not know about this case, and he did not represent the client, that person. And his daughter, whose appearance was also marked, she was present personally in court, and she said she had no idea about this case, and neither her father knows about it. And there was a senior counsel who appeared in this case, who nobody knows who is he, and one lawyer who had appeared was there in court, and the court has ordered an inquiry, fact-finding inquiry, and inquiry will be done, and a report will be submitted, and thereafter the court will decide on the further course of action. The court said we can even order an FIR, but only after looking at the inquiry report. And immediately the court withdrew that order, which was a consent decree, order passed on consent, and said that further course of action will be decided after 3 weeks when the matter is listed.
How serious is this problem?
This is a serious problem, and I think it exposes a loophole